What up, folks? Welcome to the Lecture Fan YouTube channel. It's a Saturday, October 6th, 10:50 a.m. It's absolutely gorgeous out here right now. It was really cold this morning. At about 8:30, it was about 35 degrees, real chilly. It's fall though. It's early October 2018. I'm super stoked to get out into the mountains, out into nature. Let's see that fall color, the fall foliage. Let's do it. That's pretty much it. We got the drone, we got the GH4, we got the G7X, which is what I'm on now. I'm super stoked. It's been several weeks since I've really gone out just to be out. I did take the trip to Glasgow recently and the trip to Big Sky and stuff, so I've been out doing things, but haven't really done a true let's just vlog, let's just get out into the nature, let's just have a good day, let's just have a fun Saturday. So that's the intro. Let's go, baby. What up, folks? We're checking back in. It's 12:35 now. I did eat my pickle barrel sandwich. You gotta love it. We are here on the Stillwater River at Jeffrey's Landing fishing access site. As you can see right here, the river's right over there. This is Jeffrey's Landing. Looks like it's got a little bit of history to it. I'm gonna fly the drone right here, and then I'm gonna start recharging that battery. We're gonna get it going. So Stillwater River, Jeffrey's Landing, drone flight, go. Folks, I also did a little time lapse here. It didn't turn out as good as I hoped, but yeah, there's another town just down the road here that I got some video of with my drone. I think that's Absarokee, because we've been driving probably 15 miles from Columbus or so. So that's the town that you see on that drone video is Absarokee. Just wanted to say that. Let's go. All right, folks, we're up here. We are on East Rosebud Creek. So, and I just thought this was a beautiful spot, so I'm probably gonna do a drone flight. But look at that. Look at that with the mountain right there and these colors. I mean, that's pretty cool, and it's really quiet out here. There's one other vehicle here. Wow, look at that water. Look at how clear it is. That's crazy how clear that water is. It's really clear. So yeah, we're right here. I figured right here would be as good a place as any to fly the drone. So East Rosebud in the fall, drone flight, go.
he never had officers, except in a few instances, worth the bread they eat. Congress agreed to give $20 and 100 acres of land to anyone who signed up for the duration of the war.
What up, folks? It is 2:25. We are in the National Forest now. Still here on East Rosebud. Haven't been up here in a really long time. One of the sides of these mountains has a really young forest because of a fire recently. Looks really cool. Looks really, really cool. Haven't been up here in a really long time. 2 years, over 2 years, or no, year and a half. About a year and a half. So first drone flight on National Forest land, go.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this. We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe songs, finding hidden caves. All the whetstones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting.
All right, folks, check it out. We are at Phantom Creek, trail number 17, which heads off into the wilderness here. So we're gonna go ahead and probably hike that here in a few minutes, but we're here. I'm taking that time lapse right there. Enjoy that time lapse. We are also doing a drone flight here from Phantom Creek Trailhead, 3 p.m. Crazy weather, Phantom Creek Trailhead, go.
Hey, bro, don't you look at that. I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something indeed. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing. And we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can. And knee deep in while the world just falls apart. At the rise above it all. And we can. Got me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me.